This one piece of rubber can carry 4 tons at highway speed. Inside this massive factory, raw rubber is crushed, cooked, pressed, and punished until it becomes a tire built to survive heat, pressure, and impact. This is the tire-making process, from raw materials to road ready. The journey of every tire begins with the careful extraction of natural rubber. From tropical plantations, the journey begins with the meticulous collection of natural latex sap. The journey begins as raw natural rubber is loaded, destined to become resilient tires. Here, massive natural rubber bales begin their journey to become high-performance tires.
We need to load the carbon black first. The mixer is ready.
Okay, making sure the batch codes match the sequence.
Precision is paramount as raw materials are meticulously prepared for the tire manufacturing process. Viscous liquids and oils are carefully introduced, contributing to the unique properties of each tire. Precision blending begins, transforming raw materials into a robust rubber compound. Powerful rotors homogenize the blend, crafting the foundation for durable tires. A massive, steaming slab of expertly mixed rubber emerges, ready for the next stage. Skilled hands prepare the raw materials, initiating the complex transformation into a tire. Through skilled craftsmanship and advanced machinery, raw rubber transforms, a testament to American manufacturing excellence. The journey begins as milled rubber transforms into robust, tire tread. Powerful machinery transforms raw material with precision and immense heat. The distinct tread pattern begins to emerge, shaping the tire's future grip. Through custom dies, the sidewalls emerge, precisely shaped with raised letters and branding. American workers meticulously inspect each newly formed sidewall for flawless precision. The foundation of strength begins as polyester fabric enters the mighty calendar machine. Skilled American workers meticulously oversee the process, ensuring precision at every stage. From raw materials, the durable body plies emerge, ready for the next transformation. Every ply undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring only the highest standards are met. Precise cuts create the foundation for a tire's strength and performance. Skilled hands ensure every ply is perfectly aligned, building structural integrity. Hundreds of steel wires are precisely fed, beginning their transformation into robust tire belts. A broad rubber sheet joins the process, ready to encase and protect the steel structure. The newly formed steel belt emerges, a strong composite now ready for tire construction. Steel wire, the foundation of tire strength, begins its transformation journey. The coated wire is meticulously wound into a dense, strong, circular bundle. The finished bead bundle is then prepared for integration into the tire structure. Precision defines every step as components take shape for the ultimate helmet. Each component undergoes meticulous scrutiny to guarantee flawless quality. Organized storage ensures readiness for the next stage of assembly. Skilled hands meticulously apply the initial layers, forming the foundation of a robust tire. Each precise movement ensures the quality and durability vital for optimal performance. Precision is key as skilled hands guide each component into place. The machine precisely folds the tire's plies, securing the beads. forces prepare the tire's robust structure, ensuring foundational integrity. Precision is key as layers are meticulously added, forming the tire's core. The builder's expertise guarantees perfect centering and bonding of each layer. The building drum collapses, revealing the soft, uncured tire, ready for its next transformation. With steady hands, the skilled worker meticulously removes the freshly formed tires. The green tire is carefully moved to the next station for further processing. Precision automation initiates the curing process, carefully handling each tire. A vital mold release agent is applied, ensuring the perfect formation of every tire. The green tire is precisely seated, poised for its transformative journey under immense heat and pressure. With immense force, the curing press begins its crucial transformation process. Extreme heat and pressure vulcanize the rubber, creating its final, durable form. The press opens, revealing the perfectly formed and highly durable new tire. The immense pressure and heat of the curing press complete the tire's final transformation. Each tire undergoes meticulous inspection by skilled American workers, ensuring peak performance and safety. In the vast warehouse, completed tires await distribution, a testament to modern efficiency. From raw materials to finished products, this plant exemplifies precision, automation, and American manufacturing excellence. Each newly cured tire undergoes rigorous, meticulous inspection to ensure peak performance. Advanced scanning technology complements human expertise for unparalleled quality assurance. Skilled hands perform the final inspection, ensuring flawless quality. Each tire undergoes rigorous automated testing, ensuring peak performance and safety. The machine whirs to life, rapidly spinning the tire to assess balance and uniformity. Advanced sensors meticulously scan the tire, capturing precise data during its high-speed rotation. The perfectly balanced tire is released, ready for its next step in the manufacturing journey. Each tire undergoes meticulous inspection, ensuring it meets the highest standards for performance. The final approval sticker signifies the tire's readiness, a mark of quality and trust. Advanced robotics identify each tire, ensuring precise sorting and inventory management. Robotic arms meticulously stack tires into tall, stable columns, optimizing warehouse space. Automated guided vehicles transport finished tires, ensuring efficient storage. Precision robotics handle and store each tire with unwavering accuracy. The finished tires are safely stored, ready for distribution. Precision and efficiency guide every tire to its designated place. Thousands of tires, meticulously organized, await their global journey.